Hey guys, today we have an exciting unboxing for you. We're going to take a look at the Sigma 24-70mm f2.8 DG DGen art lens designed for Sony E-Mount cameras. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. As you can see, the packaging is quite sleek, and it's well protected to ensure the lens arrives in perfect condition. Inside the box, we have the lens case, lens caps, a lens hood, a manual, and of course the lens itself. It's a pretty straightforward unboxing experience, but what really matters is the lens itself. So let's take a closer look. Here's the Sigma 24-70mm f2.8 DG DN art lens. It's well constructed and you can feel the quality in your hands. The art series from Sigma is known for its exceptional build and optical quality, and this lens is no exception. It's designed for full-frame cameras and has a constant aperture of f2.8, making it perfect for various shooting scenarios. Some key features of this lens include the durable construction, a versatile focal range, and a fast aperture. This makes it ideal for both portrait and landscape photography, as well as low-light shooting. Let's take this lens out for a spin and see how it performs. Here are some photo samples. As you can see, the lens delivers sharpness, beautiful bokeh, and great color rendition. It's a versatile workhorse that can handle a variety of shooting situations. In conclusion, the Sigma 24-70mm f2.8 DG DN art lens for Sony E-Mount is a fantastic addition to any photographer's kit. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, its build quality and optical performance are sure to impress. It's a lens that can handle portraits, landscapes, and more, making it a valuable tool in your creative arsenal. If you have any questions or want to see more content with this lens, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Bytes for more tech and gadgets related content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.